Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to make some beautiful press-on nails in just like really less time. And the first step that I am going to do is like first I have stick the gel tips on holders, and now I am going to apply a base gel. You can take any brand's base gel as for using it as like the base thing, and mostly these base gels are used for French nails and for the natural looking nails, so they just really looks like your own natural nails. Just for a change, I'm going to use this gel polish in light baby pink color, and it's by LA Nail Reserve. After that, I've taken this James Charles eye palette. It's a mini eye palette, and I've done all the umber on the nails. And then I'm going to take these silver stickers that I ordered from Amazon, and I'm going to use a scissor because I didn't have that tool which is like used to take that stickers from this sheet. So I'm using like the scissors. If you're okay with that, you can do that too. I've taken this metal gel polish which is by Bow and Pretty, and I'm creating this bow nail art. My bow nail art is not perfect yet. I am working on it, but this is just how I did it. Now I'm going to create a star on this nail. Now I've taken this unicorn gel polish. It's by Puny Gel Company. I ordered it from AliExpress. You can order any good gel polish brand from Amazon too. And I've added in this inside part. Then I've taken this rhinestone glue gel to create some 3D art nail effect. You can use a sculpture gel too if you have that. If you don't have that, that's totally fine. Just use the rhinestone gel because it's taken also intact on the nail. Then I'm securing it with the top coat, but I forgot to add some crystals, so I'm going to do it just over the top coat. I'm doing it so the crystals will stick itself, and also the top coat will remain on the nail. So two things at the same time. I sometimes do it, you can do it too, but just make sure that your nail doesn't look a little more clumsy from the sides. I've sticked the crystals on other nails too, and this 5 set nail is done. Now I'm going to do the 5 remaining nails. I'm using is a really pure white gel polish. I want to do something creative because I've already been doing the natural nails, but I wanted to like try out some of the different colors, so white is one of them. I've applied it on all nails because I wanted to like do some creativity by using that. I've taken the same James Charles palette, and I'm doing the umber nail art. This is how I actually, first take the darker shade and then the lighter shade. And I'm also blending it with the white shade as well, just to remove the harsh lines. But it's a white base, so harsh lines are going to be there. So I'll show you how I actually hide these really, intense color which is shown on the umber, just to like, make it a little more faded. Okay, so this is my trick. I have applied the same white gel polish on over the top of nail just to make it a little less intense harsh lines and give it like a faded look, because you can see it looks kind of odd, but after applying the gel polish, it's blended. going to use the same silver metal gel by Born Pretty, and I'm going to create a bow effect on it. On this nail I want to do something different, so I just created some lines, you know, just like the straight lines, whatever you think you can do on the nail, just to make it look a little more creative and different. On this nail I have done like some mini hearts, and my heart technique is also really not perfect, but I just try my best. On this nail I'm going to create a French tip just by using the metal gel polish. I couldn't be able to find out any good metal gel polish other than this Born Pretty. Yeah, Macad also have that, but Macad is a little bit pricey on this point, but Born Pretty is like the best one of all time. It gives you like the perfect metal silver effect. They don't have it in gold, but I'm looking for it. I just got to know that Macad has recently launched their gold metal effect gel polish, and I really have to order that, and I'll show you in my upcoming videos how it's actually in quality. Now going to secure it with a gel polish top coat by Oxy brand. It's like one of my favorite top coat, no wipe top coat brands of all time. Also their cashmere made top coat is like on top of every made top coats that I've used till now. I've pasted some crystals on the nails, and that's how I'm going to like, you know, complete my set. This silver French tip was looking a little, you know, empty kind of thing, so I just like went ahead, and I am using this silver stickers on it, and I have used a scissor to cut the remaining part of it. And again securing with the gel polish top coat, and have added some crystals just to like, you know, make it look really outstanding. I have ordered these nail boxes from Amazon, and you can order from the links that I've given in the description box. You can order from Walmart as well. They're having really good prices for it, and also I've ordered this double-sided tape from Walmart. And it's done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Thank you guys. I'll be posting more amazing, interesting videos for y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.